how to add an iPhone device to Find My iPhone. So if you want to be able to track multiple devices on Find My iPhone, I'll show you how to do this. Now the first step is you need to go and load up the settings on your phone. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen and then click on Find My. Now make sure Find My iPhone is turned on and enabled like this, and also make sure Share My Location is turned on and enabled. Now if you want to add multiple accounts to the Find My app, you can head over to your second iPhone or device, go and open up the settings once again and click on your profile icon at the top of the page. Now you need to make sure you're signed in to the exact same Apple account that you're signed into on your original device. Once you've done that, you can come back down to Find My and just make sure this is turned on. Once you've done this, head over to your iPhone home screen. You can then use the search box to type in Find My and go and open up the app. Now if you click on Devices at the bottom of the page, you'll see all of your iPhones and devices that are linked to this account. You can then go and track each device individually. If you want to add another device, you can always click on the plus icon, just select the Bluetooth device that you're trying to add, and you can go through the steps on the screen to add an additional device to this Find My app.